Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I still remain your girl Happy Blackie. For those of you that are new to my channel, and for those of you also that have been watching my video, please continue to watch my video, like and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me up on my social media platform for more of my views. Thank you. Hope you guys are okay. Yeah, today I'll be talking on this there's this topic I want to talk about: differences between men and women, and I'll just be listing few of them for you guys to see, so that the women we women, we don't blame the men, and the men, you don't blame the women on what you want them to do and they don't do it, and all those stuff. You understand where I'm going to? So today, stay tuned and continue watching. On today, I'll be reading it from a book that I came across, and I just decided to share it with you guys. Number one thing is, a man is logical thinker while a woman is an emotional feeler. Yeah, it is true. A woman, men are always logical thinkers, and women, we most of our thing, what most of our sayings is from our feelings, what we feel. Number two, for a woman, language spoken is an expression of what she is feeling. But for a man, language spoken is an expression of what he is thinking. Yes, because we always speak out of what how we feel. We women, we speak out of how we feel, but men is out of what they think. You understand where I'm going to? Now, number three is, language that is heard by a woman is an emotional experience. Yes, language that is heard by a woman is an emotional experience, while language that is heard by a man is the receiving of information. Language that is heard by a woman, if we is an emotion, is an experience, but men, they use theirs is like an information to them, they receive it. Number four is, women tend to take everything personally. Yes, I like this particular one because I am guilty of this one. I take things too personal. That is women for you. So the men, you don't blame us for taking things too personal. Even what is not relevant, we take it too personal. So please don't blame us. Why men don't take, they tend to take things impersonal. Yes, men, after all, let it just go. Yes, I've heard, let it. But we would like to always get the detail. We like to take things too personal. We women. Yes. Number five says, women are interested in the details. Yeah, because we like that. I remember well. So we always like to get the details of everything. We always like it details by detail, one by one. We always like to get it. Why men are interested in the principle? Yes, men are interested in the principle. Men don't have time for all these side talks, and it's just what is the principle. That is what men are interested in. Number six says, in material things, women tend to look at goals only. Yes, in material things, women tend to look at goals only. Yes, men want to know the details of how to get there. Men are always excited, they are always anxious to get to where they, but women, we want to get know the goal. So number six says, in spiritual and intangible things, men look at goals, women want to know how to get there. Yes, when it comes to spirituality, women is always the head. Yeah, that is just how it is. Because men, you always want to go, but women want to get there. That's it. Number eight says, a man's mind is like a filing cabinet. You know how a cabinet is, a file, a shelf is, you just put things there. If you want it, when you want it, you come and bring it out. But a woman's mind is like a computer. Yes. A woman's mind is like a computer. Computer receives, stores, and delivers. But why you file, you just file it there when you want to do or when you want to get the information. You just go there, bring it out. But women, we store things in our mind. Number nine says, a woman's home is an extension of her personality. A man's job is an extension of his home. Yes, we women, we like our home more than our job. While the men, they prefer their job more than their home. So their personality is their job, while we women, our personality is our home. How we make our home is our personality. Number 10 says, men can be nomadic, women need security and rules. This particular one, I like it very. So men, you have to be assuring your wife of security. You reassure her of security. Let her know that she's secured with you, because she's always scared of this security thing. You understand? So you have to reassure her of your love, reassure her of your security, of how secure she is with you. Number 10 says women tend to be guilty prone. In this particular one, because when it comes to relationship, for that's an example I want to give. When it comes to in a relationship and it's not working, and women tries to do all sorts of things, we put the blame on ourselves, that why this relationship didn't work is because of me, or because I didn't do it well, or because I didn't do this, or because I didn't do that. But men tend to be resentful. They are resentful. They don't just want to talk about it, they just want to, you understand. But women, we take the blame. We always take the blame in relationship. Number 12 says a woman, men are stable and level of, women are always changing. That is just how we especially the mood swing thing. If you give take for example, when a man leaves his or her, leaves his house with his wife, and his wife will be happy, was happy when he left, but when he comes back, you see her her mood is changed, and she can't even point out this is my problem, or this is what made my mood to change. She will just switch off to another mood swing entirely, and the man will be like, did I do anything wrong? What did I do? I know that you were happy when I left, so what is the problem? The man will try to know, but she won't even know what is the problem. So that is women for you, men. Please take it or you leave it. So you have to learn on this one. Number 13 says women tend to become involved more easily and more quickly than men do. When it comes to assuming like in a ceremony, or that yes, let's just use the word ceremony. When an event is going, they tend to adapt easily. They tend to mix up easily. But men, they will just sit in one place and observe. They will like to observe what is going on and the rest of them before they involve themselves. But women, you will always like bara before you know they are already in. What can I help? How can I do? How can I help? How can you understand where I'm going to? That is women for you, and that is how we are. Number 14 said men need to be told again and again. So women, you have to keep reminding your husband, keep reminding your man, sorry, keep reminding your man over and over and over and over again on one particular, because that is how it's not as if they are forgetful. They are not forgetful, but that just, they like to do things in their own way. They like to do things how they want it to be. They like to do things when they want it, when they want to do it. So women, don't just get angry because you want this thing to get fixed now. It doesn't work that when it comes to men. Men, they always like to take their time, and they always like to do it when they want to do it. So please, my dear women, just be patient with them. Please just be patient with them. If not, you will run into trouble. If you keep reminding them, and you also have to keep reminding. But if you're telling them over and over again, they will take offense. So you should know how to handle it. You should know how to talk to them. Number 15 say men tend to remember the gist of things rather than the details. Women tend to remember the details and sometimes distort the gist. Men, they like the gist, just give us the gist, but women, they will always like to get the details of things, how it went and everything. So please, please, with these few points and this 15, yes, it's number is 15, with these 15 differences, you should know how to handle your man, and the men, you should also know how to handle your woman also. Till I come your way the next time, I still remain your dearest happy black. Keep peace.